Hey guys, I'm at Horshoebay to wait for the ferry right now. It's my first time to go to Sechelt. I'm gonna visit my dear ferry. I'm so excited. You just need to pay a ticket from Vancouver to Sechelt. You don't need to pay for the trip back from Sechelt to Vancouver. It's just $14 at that time. Look at the view! It's so amazing! Finally, I meet my dear friend after spending 3 hours on the way. A lost baby deer in a garden. Now we're going to the Sechelt Bay. Thank you, Tony, for taking such a beautiful video. I really like it. Ferry and I look so happy. I really love the color of the sky. It's so relaxing here. I can get a book and sit down on a bench for a very long time. Hello, Feli.
Hi.
Hi, Tony. Yes, it's me. Yay! We're on a private boat tour. Just 3 of us. Tony is the captain. I really enjoy it. It's going to get my head. Yeah, Ferry, go.
Hurry up.
Yeah, Ferry, go. Oh, don't jump, yeah. No. It's time to go back to Vancouver.
Please consider Langdale to be.
It's pretty windy here. We're driving directly to seawall for a walk. After going for a walk more than an hour at English Bay, we have ramen. It's so yummy. I'm gonna miss you, Feli.